Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back. I'm so happy that you're here to spend some time with me today. If you are brand new to my channel, hi, my name is Barbara. I do fashion, decor, and more. And if you like content like that, I would love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button and that like button. And because I bring so much content. I mainly do Temu try-on hauls and Walmart. And I mix in some Kohl's, some Amazon, maybe some Target sometimes. And I do cooking videos. I talk about fitness and my faith. I also do decorating videos, and it's all done on a budget. And of course, fashion try-ons. All right. So this is new to my channel. This is the Walmart beauty box. And I wanted to make sure my address wasn't on there. And I love this. I was so happy to, I'm not partnering with them or anything like that. I bought this with my own money, but I just thought it would be fun to do some different videos for my birthday month. So yeah, so let's get into this. All right, leave me in the comments down below if you guys get the beauty box and what you like about it and what you don't. I'm gonna turn this light on over here. You know, I actually forgot I had a light over here. I know. I know. Let me turn this other light on because I am losing my sunlight. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. That's better. So much better. All right. So when you first open it up, this is what I see. Okay. So it says Summer Refresh. I'm gonna go down just slightly with the chair. It says, hello sunshine. Our collection of warm weather beauty keeps your skin, body, and hair pampered so you're ready for sunshine season and beyond. And then it says to shop new favorites and find Walmart information at walmart.com. So I believe this is some of the items that you get in your box. And here is a QR code, like it or love it, leave a review. Mega Babe, stop shaving. Okay, so yeah. So I did open this up because, you know, I'm like a kid in a candy store. So, but I didn't use any of the products or anything, okay? So the first thing I see in here is stops chafe. Us women deal with that, don't we? Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. And it's clean ingredients that won't make you, what does this say? Clean ingredients that work. You're too cute to shave. That's nice. Okay, I'm not going to demonstrate this, but yeah. So this is, you know, you put this between your, your thighs, okay? And it stops chafing, which is really good because sometimes, like, I don't experience that, but now that my thighs rub a little bit now, you know, sometimes I'll wear like a boy short or something like that, like a longer, short, so it doesn't happen. But all right, so, and I think there's prices on these too, right? How much it would go for? Yes, there is. So let's do that. So this is called Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Full Size, $13.97, 2.1 ounce. So this is your full size, okay? And stop thigh shave for good with the award-winning anti-friction stick. The balm-like formula creates a barrier that sits on top of skin, allowing thighs that rub to glide smoothly against each other. Okay, so that's that product, and I'll let you guys know how that works out. My husband said he wants to use it too. The next thing I see is called The Shop, or the cut, I don't know, it has scissors in the middle, so I don't know if that's called just The Shop. Okay, and this is a face wash, and it's daily exfoliating cleanser. It says The Shop Face Wash Daily Exfoliating Cleanser, full size, $9.97, 4 ounces, 4 ounces. So that's what that is. And you know what? I've never really done any type of like beauty boxes or like Ipsy or anything like that because I don't like to use parabens in my products, and I know a lot of things have that, a lot of products. So if they do, I don't use them because I had a benign tumor many years back on my left breast. Thank God it wasn't cancer, but I do believe it was from the parabens I was using. So this is a daily exfoliating cleanser. So it exfoliates the skin. I don't like to exfoliate. I don't like to use an exfoliating cleanser every day. I like to do that more like twice a week. I have combo skin. So I guess that's just, up to the individual. But yeah, so that's the next one. The next thing in here is called, let's see, I guess everybody gets different things. Physician's Formula. I am a Physician's Formula girl. I love their butter bronzer. I love all their stuff. Physician's Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. Ooh, full size, $13.48, 1.3 fluid ounce. And I know they have good products and they're paraben free. So that's what this looks like. And so far, each product is full size. I know, I need to do my nails. Each product is full size. So let's open this up and check this baby out, shall we? I've never tried a liquid bronzer before. So Butter Glow. So I will definitely be using that. I'm not going to demonstrate it on here only because I don't have a napkin or anything with me. But that's really nice just to give you that summer glow. Like I would just put some right there in the contour, or just like, of where your blush would go, but just up higher, and then just use a buffing brush to buff that in, or a beauty blender you can use as well to buff that in. And then, you can probably put it, wherever the sun will hit, that's really pretty. All right. And the last thing is just Let It Glow Healthy Glow Sheet Mask. And this is pear fruit. Let's see. I don't see this on here. Don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you love. Oh, that was very nice of them. So I don't like sheet masks. I was breaking out from them when I used them. So I don't think I'm going to use a sheet mask. I'll probably pass this on. Maybe they're not all equal, but that's the sheet mask. And that's really cool. And it doesn't say a price or anything. So if you guys did get this in your box, and if you did try this, and if you did, if you do have sensitive skin like me, let me know if this did anything. And the last, that's the last product, but then look what it gives you. It gives you a cute little cosmetic bag. I think this is so darling. This is so cute. And it's hot pink with like a pretty white, it's canvas. We all need a new canvas bag. I just bought a few from Temu, but this is really nice. So you keep all your products in it. This is nice for makeup brushes. This is just really nice. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I just couldn't wait to come on here to share this with you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys get this box, and let me know your thoughts on it. I am going to be trying that bronzer definitely, and probably the Chafin product. I don't know about the cleanser. Like I said, I have sensitive skin. I would have to look up their product online, and really, see if it's for sensitive skin and everything. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just very iffy with that. I don't know. So on this same video, I am going to be having an empties video. Now, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Why did I even say that? It's not going to be on this video. It's going to be on a next video that's coming up. All right, guys. All right. I am so happy you guys stopped by to spend some time with me today. Oh, by the way, this comes 4 times a year. Okay, so this is their summer box. So I'm waiting on a fall one, and we'll see what we get in that. So for this is $6.98 plus tax. Okay, and I think it was $7.40 or something like this. And this came to my house within less than 2 weeks. So I thought that was really quick delivery, and it was smooth delivery. And I just went on Walmart.com and requested one. You put it in the search bar, Walmart beauty box, and it comes up. And yeah, so I don't make any money on referrals or anything like that. So I did, apply to see if they'll choose me, to show their boxes on my channel, but I didn't get any response back yet. So for now, I pay for it, but I think it's worth it, especially with the Physicians Formula, and that's a full size. I think it's a full size. You know what? I want to make sure because I am new to this. To me, it didn't look like a full size, but Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer full size is $13.48. So, and that is, hold on, 1.3 ounce. Let me make sure that's something. I don't believe this is 1.3 ounce. I think this is a sample size. So I made a mistake on that. I am new to this, so yeah, I don't believe this is their full size. And I don't know if this is either. 2.1 ounce. What does this say? I need more lights in here. No, this isn't their full size either. So I guess they don't send full sizes. This one looks like it would be maybe 4 ounces. No, this is 1 fluid ounce. So this is not a full size either. I apologize, guys. See? Oh my gosh. Yeah, something told me to go back and check for you guys. So this is not full size either. So I guess these are just samples, but for that price, it's still good. I think it's good. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, I would highly recommend you do that because it is worth it. I mean, to me, the samples are not like little samples, so I think it's worth it. All right, guys, I have so much more coming on my channel, including that empties video. So subscribe if you're new and like this video, guys, if you want to see more like this. And until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day. And when life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. Bye.